My dearly beloved family, how are you all doing? As you can see, I am doing good and I know you are doing perfectly well. All right, my wonderful family, if you are just seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress channel on YouTube and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So why don't you drop your comment in a very constructive way so that we all will jubilate in the comment section. As you know, I don't understand what to know about this video that you're about to watch, but I do hope you pick some sense from those videos. All right, my wonderful family, let me drop the video so watch it together, and don't forget not to subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family so they know all what is going on in the global world today. Right now, let's watch the video and I will be right back. Honestly, if I said I am so disappointed in all these things that is going on, people will say, why are you saying that? Some of the leaders in IPOB, they are just bunch of disappointments. Does that mean that they have been hiding themselves all this while when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was with them, when he has not yet kidnapped? Yes, now we are seeing the true people that are working in IPOB. Believe me, I have a video that I want us to watch together, but I don't really know how you felt about this video, but I do hope you pick your own little sense from it. Because I don't understand, just few days that the leader of Biafra just give chance a little. Look at what is going on. They can't coordinate themselves. They can't do a lot of things on their own. Everything is on social media. They quarrel within themselves. Oh, damn it. This is unacceptable. This is so insulting to we that follows them. Let me leave the video. Let it not be that I talk too much. Let me leave the video so you hear it from him. Must you bring everything to social media? I don't really understand the pains that they have. All right, my wonderful family, watch it and I will be right back.
When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu came out of the prison, I was there with him. But most of the people that were shouting, when you say, I will be with you, I will do this, I will do that. When he came out of the prison, they were not there. Most of the noisemakers, they phone afu gaga na Facebook and afu gaga and eme gaga Ethiopia gaga gbamba ga eme nka obodi efiri onu when me gbadata no na ndeda now. Come down now, make una na turn down now. Ndedi na nekwu no say unu ga bata when ka menka all those things na mouth egbo onu happen na okwu abulonri happen na okwu abulonri. When it happens, I will come down. I will do this. We are coming to bomb there. We are going to scatter there. We are coming to do Ashiashi only on their lips. They can do nothing. Nkita na boja. Harata bakam nalo. Temuri kita bakam nalo. Nkita na boja data bakam. Na hapata na Facebook ne okwu iche na mmadụ no ha n'ime. Ofu mkpụrụ mmadụ anọ ha n'ime nda. I have served IPOB. I have served Mazi Nnamdi Kanu since 2012. From 2012 to 2021. Because how many years old? 2022 now, next year now, it will be 10 years that I've been consistent in this struggle. So somebody that is asking what is my position, currently I hold no position. And I'm not interested in the position. Even that auditor that our leader gave me to do, that auditor job that he gave me to do, was the most dangerous job to do. The most difficult job to do in this struggle is to be auditing people, to be checking how our finances is moving. Those that are eating money, once you are trying to audit them, trying to find out how they are spending our money, how they will come after you. They will lie against you. They will even plan to even kill you. And a fancy now this struggle. People are coordinators are giving poison. And I appear them mad. At a point, I said I'm not go highest. Why? Because how will go chom so many times so Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4. So many times. Do you know why? Because there is a supernatural being that is leading me. And that is my name. Chukwu okike abịa ma bikem. Abịara m ike ọnụ, abịakwa m efiri ọnụ. Ihe m bịara bụ ka m gwa unu onye mbụ ka m si bata na njem. I was there with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. From the day he stepped out of the prison, I was there. So before you ask, who is this guy? What is his position? Why is he talking like this? I have worked in the finance department. That is why I am talking about finance, which I know that is playing an integral part to what we are doing today. Ego finance is playing an integral part in what we are doing today. Without money, one igazuike, mu agazuike, onyuku agazuike, onyenta agazuike, abacha sife ni na neme. So I have worked there. So when I give you information, you know that I'm not joking. But I have not come to talk about finance anymore for now, until I am ready to do so. And all of you that are paying, galvanizing, congregating to get him killed. The person you want to kill have died before. I have said it before. Jenna cemetery abakono febe nidia. So only ada tuzu John mancha. And that is by the way. And you that is looking to kill somebody, get ready to be killed. Get ready to die. Because there are supernatural powers that backs me up, that is going to crush each and every one of you that are plotting for my death, because I am exposing the evil in you guys. That is by the way. The reason why I am making this video is for those people who say they don't know who this guy is. Now I want to tell you where I am. And some people say they are not happy. I should not be talking about this. Go and use your platform and propagate about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu release. When Facebook, I'm doing my own in my own way. Do your own in your own way. Me and you may not be able to say the same thing or do the same thing. We are not the same. Look at Nakarakam Kodi. If you don't want to none of them join each other. Some people can educate, some people can't educate. So do your own thing your own way. Leave me. Let me do my own way. I respect everybody, but I fear nobody. You know, fear not respect. I respect every human being. I don't even care how old you are. I respect you, but I fear nobody. So all of you that are saying, run away, go this country, go that country, I am going nowhere. I will be here in Biafra land until Biafra is restored. So you people that are in abroad, making noise, ranting, I also say go, come down. Let us start it from here. I am showing my face, but some people, some cowards will be on Facebook. They cannot even when you look at their picture, what you will see is one avatar. They will use avatar, or they will use somebody's picture, or they use some kind of photo to make their profile. You can never see one of their pictures on their platform. It's not only that they are in abroad. Not only that they are in abroad. They are in abroad at the same time their face is not showing. Then you will come to me that is in the lion's den and you will be talking to me anyhow, and I am showing my face, and I will be talking and you will be talking. Adama Wasaga, this is not a sagacious broadcast. I'm not part and parcel of people who are doing saga. But this message is going to all those people that were asking, who is this guy? Who is this guy? Who is this guy? I joined this guy you are looking at now, joined this struggle in the year 2011. And I became active in the struggle in the year 2012. And I started broadcasting in Radio Biafra in the year 2013. From 2013 to 2010 is how many years? How many years is it? Seven solid years. This is the 8th year that I am here. The person that is talking to you, I don't have any scandal in this struggle. If I have scandal in this struggle, this opportunity, this is the time that all the enemies that I'm exposing would have said, okay, since you are exposing us, let us expose you. What do you have against me? Bring it up. Bring it up. I am a true example of he who goes to equity should go with clean hand. And I want to put it on record today that I am not on payroll of IPOB. I am not angry. I am not angry. I want to explain this very, very clear. I want to make it very, very clear that I am not on payroll of IPOB. I am not a contractor for IPOB. I am not. Nobody contracted me. Nobody contracted me to do whatever I'm doing in IPOB. What I'm doing is selfless work. Selfless work is what I am doing here. Selfless work is what I'm doing for IPOB. I am not part and parcel of the people that are collecting money, people that they are paying for their, the people that every month they receive a lot. I wouldn't say that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have not been taking care of some of my needs. He have. I wouldn't say that Biafrans have not been kind to me. They are. Because I had to leave everything I am doing